Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome back to another top tip. And while I'm sitting here working on this, I realized another top tip. Check this out. So this lantern, when we designed it, the top is supposed to simulate metal and then the middle is supposed to simulate wood. Well, this little handle needs to be metal and I'm glossying it so that you can see it, but the little tip of my Crystal Glaze is too big for me to get a good slim line around there. So check out what I've done. I've taken a little bit of the Crystal Glaze and I've put it onto some Scotty, some of this, just a piece that I peeled off, you know, just the adhesive backer piece. And I'm putting my pokey tool into it and using it like a Crystal Glaze pen. Now they do make pens that you can do this with, but I just thought while I'm sitting here, instead of pulling out another thing, and I've already been using my tool to spread my Crystal Glaze around, why not try this? And this works so well. So if there is a spot on your card that you want a very specific shimmer, this is the way to do it. And I was thinking, wouldn't this be cool if you were going to shimmer up like small little spots on the card? Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I get this little handle all done. So now the handle's all shiny. Let's say I just wanted to shine up maybe the centers of some flowers or some little beads here. These little beads at the bottom. This is a great way to do that without having any fancy pins or tools or anything like that. So just put a little shimmer on these little beads here with using my pokey tool. I think these top tips should be 101 uses for the pokey tool, right? Because there probably are 101 uses. So I'm just going to do these little beads using this method. And I hope this helps you guys. You never know when this tip could come in handy. There'll probably be a time when you're doing something and you're like, oh, yeah, I can make that happen like this. Let's do the middle of these flowers this way too. It's pretty cool. I'm not really going to be, it's not very wasteful either. I know you're thinking, well, you've got this big pile of it over there that you're not going to use. By the time I'm done glossing everything up, I probably will use most of that. Let's gloss up this little flower just because we can. And let's gloss up this other one just because. So there you go, another use for your pokey tool and the glaze. And let me show you what I did with that handle. If you look at the top, you see how the handle is the only thing shiny up there, and I don't have shiny going everywhere else. That's really cool. I love it. All right, there's another top tip for your Crystal Glaze. I hope that helps you guys, and another use for our pokey tool. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Talk to you again next time. Bye-bye.